Hi guys, this is Alicia Batra and welcome to my channel Real Estate with Alicia. Guess where I am today? I am at New Rajendra Nagar, New Delhi, and I am going to show you a beautiful 300 square yard builder floor which is, by the way, ready to move, and you will fall in love with this one right away. Well, I do not need to introduce lot about New Rajendra Nagar as an area because it speaks for itself. Look at the view, guys. I'm standing at the top floor right now, and New Rajendra Nagar is known for rich facing properties, park facing, and its connectivity. 10 minutes to Chanakyapuri, Connaught Place, Malcha Marg, Bangla Sahib Gurdwara, Karol Bagh. So very well located it is. Come on guys, let me show this beautiful house to you. So this one, as I enter from the balcony, have a look at this huge living area. And by the way guys, look at the chandelier. The detailing of this property is top notch. And the thing is, this whole area which you see as a living room, the client who purchased the top floor, they customized it in a way that they did not want this fourth room. So they made a huge living room out of it. The wall you see over here. So in the floors downstairs, this whole is a fourth bedroom. But you can get it customized. That is the freedom, liberty you get when you buy a under construction property. Check out guys, here is the washroom, again customized because they bought it during under construction. Well, other floors are available in this building. I'm showing you top floor because I really love the views from here. So as I go here, right here, check out the marble guys. This has completely been done in Italian marble, and this is beautiful, fully equipped kitchen. You will be getting as it is. I mean, this is whole PU polish, and check out this, the cabinets, the woodwork over here. Again guys, because the people who bought this floor, they had customized the marble, all color and the kitchen color on their own. Now we enter here, this you can call as a wet kitchen. So here is the sink completely separated. This is the shaft which you can utilize it again if you want to. A double door refrigerator that you can have a look over here, that has already been placed. Then also you have got such a huge space, and this is the lobby area. Now the detailing, the marble detailing, this is the entrance place. अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ इसका पूजा रूम. ये भी customizable thing है. नीचे के फ्लोर्स में थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. एक डेडिकेटेड पूजा रूम स्पेस है. दिस लुक्स सो प्रिटी. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द 3 bedrooms ओवर हियर. कॉर्नर प्रॉपर्टी है तो एम्पल नंबर ऑफ सनलाइट. कम हियर गाइज, सनलाइट देखो और बाहर से आप व्यूज देखो. I mean, New Rajendra Nagar is literally preferred for such beautiful views guys. This is such a well placed location. ये views देखो. Now have a look at this room. अब अगर मैं ये door बंद कर रही हूँ, full wall has been dedicated to the cupboard, wardrobe. And कोई normal काम नहीं है, बहुत ही vintage and classy feel दी गई है. आप अंदर का भी देखेंगे how well placed it is. The woodwork, again, this is all PU polish. The craftsmanship here speaks for itself. See, difference. It can easily fit a lot of your clothes, girls out there. And now let's check its washroom. This again is an Italian marble. No compromise on the quality at all because this builder is known for the quality of its work. Detailing guys, this is where your bed will be placed, and have a look at this. The lamps, the lighting above it. I mean, not a builder who is literally passionate about his work. Not this one. First, I'm going to show you the master bedroom of this floor. I mean, come here guys. This, as I walk by, this whole again wall is dedicated to the wardrobes, the profile lighting inside it, the way they have segregated. These all are soft closures also guys. Now the best part is, here will be your bed, and in that room you saw that there were lamps over there, the lights over there, but here again the wall, just close up a bit. See the craftsmanship over here, the detailing, the nitty-gritties. And the color palette beige, it's beautiful. And here is the washroom, colored fittings and Italian marble. Let me tell you guys, lot of builders, they do not use Italian marble in the washroom, but this builder did and it stands out. So this was a complete tour of the beautiful property and I am really in love with this one. So come here guys. I'm sure, as I told in the start of the video, that once you have a look at this property, you will definitely fall in love with this one. And okay, so there are just 8 to 9 plots of 300 square yards in New Rajendra Nagar, and this is one of them. And then there is again under construction property getting ready in 8 to 10 months in 300 yards in R Block New Rajendra Nagar. That again, if you buy right now, can get it customized in your own way. Now if I talk about another property in a smaller size, 200 square yard as we have over here, there we have got ready to move option also, top floor with terrace, and then we have under construction options also, so that you can get it customized in your own manner. So if you're someone looking to buy a property in New Rajendra Nagar, your home over here, contact me. My name is Alicia Batra. My firm's name is Prop Checkmate Private Limited. The office address will be mentioned in the caption, the email address, the phone numbers. Kindly get in touch to secure your dream home in New Rajendra Nagar. Bye.